what is up? It's Andrea and welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. So this week, got a little creative with it. But this week, I have a ton of really awesome slimes in store for you guys. So definitely leave a like if you're excited for the restock, for the video, for a new main channel video, and more Peachybbies videos that I am posting this week, as well as a vlog. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Other than that, social media links down below. If you guys want to shop the video, the store is live as this video comes out, so you guys can buy any of the things that are shown in the video, and I would absolutely love to see what you got. If you send me pictures on Instagram or Twitter or anything like that, I definitely want to check them out and feature some of you guys. So first, the slime that you guys have been seeing is actually a new one. So you guys know we had the Marshmallow Twist Cloud Dough. This one is a banana marshmallow twist, so it is the same idea, the same really holdable, really fluffy cloud dough texture, but instead of a marshmallow scent, it is a banana marshmallow scent. Then I've been getting really creative with my Peachybbies Instagram stories, and you guys loved when I twisted the cloud slimes like one of those twisty marshmallow. Do you know what I mean? The twisty marshmallow rods. I don't know if they have a name, but twisted it like that. I think it looks so adorable. And then when you mix the white and the yellow together, it makes a really pretty kind of pastel yellow color. Moving on, we have another new slime. I believe we had something that was very similar in the store maybe once a really long time ago, but we decided to reinvent it and bring it back. So this is Cream Soda Freeze. Cream Soda Freeze is an icy texture with, of course, a cream soda scent. This one is a custom blend cream soda, so we made sure to specially hand mix it, so it smelled super similar to the A&W cream soda that you guys can get at the stores, because that stuff, let me tell you, it smelled so yum. Then it has a really pretty cream soda color, and then you notice the top was really crunchy. It had that nice texture and sound to it. That is because it is topped off with a layer of fishbowl beads. So this one is a great alternative if you guys are looking for icy slimes. I normally restock those only in the summer. I feel like they're a really perfect like kind of spring and summer slime, and they have a really amazing fluff to them. You guys want to grab one before, you know, it's almost fall. Oh my gosh. If you want to grab one before fall is here, definitely check this one out. Side note, while we're talking about fall, what slimes should I bring back for fall? What is your favorite season? Please leave that down in the comments below. I'm really curious because I'm a fall girl. So next we have yet another new slime. This one my mom actually thought of the idea. She's really proud of it, and I'm actually so proud of the way it turned out. She's been really helping me in the shop lately because we've been so busy planning for Slime Bash and all of that stuff. But this one is Oreo cookie milk. So scented, of course, like Oreo cookies, and then a fresh glass of milk. It has our new updated thick base as the white base of the slime, and then it is topped off with super crunchy foam bricks and then foam beads. This one is one of my favorites because, like I told you guys, I think I told you on Instagram. I don't think I told you on YouTube. But some of you guys said that our thick slimes weren't thick enough. We actually reinvented the bases. So they are 100% thicker than they were. I am super proud of them. Anytime you guys have a complaint or something that you're not super happy with, I absolutely love that you tell me in like a really nice way, because that gives us a chance to fix it and to make it better. So I've been listening to you guys on that. So if there's anything else, I would absolutely love to hear from you. We're always trying to make stuff the best that it possibly can be for you. I really do love you like a lot, and I want to make sure that you guys are always happy. Next we have Jewel Beetle. So this is a video that I actually edited for IGTV, and it's a little bit altered so that it's not super long because I post pretty long ASMR videos on IGTV. But this is me mixing the glitter into the clear slime, And if you guys know me at all, one of my absolute favorite things, because visual ASMR is basically my jam, one of my absolute favorite things, they just get me every single time. So I hope some of you guys out there like those as well. I thought this was absolutely so pretty, and I didn't want to waste it. I wanted to show you guys. So this one I definitely think would be an amazing fall slime, and I want to do more glitter mix things if you guys are down for them. But as far as the slime goes, it is a classic clear slime base. It's unscented so that it stays crystal clear. And then the glitter you're seeing is shade shifting and iridescent. So it will shift from anything to a black or a copper or a green depending on what light it's in. All of this is filmed under flashlight and in a dim room. So if you guys get this and you want to put it on Instagram, first of all, props to you because oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Secondly, the best way to get it to shine is to film it with a flashlight from your phone on it, and it will look exactly like this. This one's made in limited quantities. We didn't have enough glitter for a full batch, but we wanted to get a little bit of it out to you guys as like a little fall preview. And then we have another old favorite. You guys have been begging me to bring this one back, and I just recently made a trip to Lush, so I had the bags to, you know, make it kind of cool looking. This one is called Scrubby. If you guys have been to Lush, you know I'm a Lush fiend, and you guys probably know what Scrubby is. If you've not been to Lush, Scrubby is basically a honey scented scrub bar, and it's shaped like a bee. It's really adorable, and I found a scent that almost exactly matches the scent of Scrubby. So this one is a cloud cream texture. It's very similar to a cloud slime, but it is a little bit softer, so you'll get a nice fluff out of it, but it won't be a full drizzle. Sometimes it's hard for me to explain cloud slimes versus cloud doughs to people, but this one is a lot on the softer side and really easy and portable to take with you, and it doesn't make as much of a mess as a regular slime, just like a cloud dough would. So every container you get is striped with the yellow and then the scrub centered center, and you mix it together and it makes a really pretty pastel yellow. Next we have, okay, so let me just address, this container is not completely full because this was my own personal rose bomb. Anybody on Instagram stories would have seen that I mixed this one up and accidentally added too many beads and it wouldn't fit back into the container, so I took some out, and then it's a whole story, but they do come completely full. Just wanted to put that out there, but I wanted to show you guys. Rose Bomb is another one inspired by Lush, so it has a rose jam scent. Super yummy, especially if you're into floral scents, kind of more relaxing rather than on the sweet candy side. Then it is our new and improved super thick base. This one is in a pastel pink with those cute little white and pink beads. This one's really great, like I said, if you want anything thick or if you're looking for something that gives really good thwocks and clicking sounds, because I feel like this one is really great for that. You guys have been seeing throughout this whole video, I've been doing kind of creative transitions. I don't know, I felt like doing it. Wasn't quite sure what to do for that one, so that's why I was tapping my finger. I thought it was kind of funny. Next we have, this is a long name. I forget exactly what it's named, but it's named after a lemonade stand in Disneyland. I believe it is Adorable Snowman's Lemon Custard. If I'm wrong on that, I'll correct myself on the screen. Blueberries, 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 more blueberries, more blueberries, more blueberries, more blueberries. Oh, I made a mess. Shoot. So half of it is white and then half of it is lemon, topped off with little blueberries, and it is scented like lemon custard. This one is a cloud dough, so it is pretty fluffy. You'll get a lot of good fluff to it, and when you mix it together, it'll turn into a really pretty pastel yellow. I've been going really hard with the cloud creams in my shop because I know how much you guys love them, but if there are any other slimes that you'd really like to see for future restocks or for the slime bash, because I am actually working my butt off planning for that, definitely leave them in the comments below. I am trying to hang out in the comments for the next 2 hours that this video is live, so I can talk to you guys, maybe bounce some ideas back and forth, say hi to you, you know, the usual. Then we have another favorite. This one is Caribbean Waters. So Caribbean Waters is scented like a refreshing beach with a hint of vanilla. It is a really pretty, super bright teal blue base, and this one is a true cloud cream. So it's really soft, really spreadable, but you still kind of get that cloud texture. And then each one comes with a fish. There's a rainbow assortment, so you'll get a randomized one. My favorite is the yellow. If you guys get a yellow one too, please send me a picture because I want to twin with you.
I think that was the cat sneezing.
Then we have another old favorite. You guys have been begging me for this one forever, and I haven't been able to make it because you guys know I moved into a new house, which basically means I have no supplies here whatsoever. So it's a little bit hard to make floams, but we finally managed to bring it back. This is the Coco Puffs floam. So this one is a true floam, of course, scented like Coco Puffs, which is like a super chocolatey, like yummy, delicious scent. And then it has little chocolate clay sprinkles in it, just because, I don't know, I thought they were cute. No real reason on that one, you guys. So this one is great if you like I said, full floams, or if you want something that has a really nice crunch to it. Moving on, we have another new slime, and this one I'm really psyched to show you guys. Okay, so this video is probably going on Instagram, but basically you get a 4-ounce container of cookie dough, which is a cloud slime scented, of course, like sugar cookies. Then you get a 2-ounce container of pink and purple swirled frosting that you can put on, or you can play with it separately. I just decided to put all of mine together to show you guys what it would look like. Then you get a randomized container of sprinkles. So I showed you 4 different options. It could be any of those, and then you can either make a cookie like I did, which of course, if you guys have Instagram, if you guys want it for the presentation, this one is, it's a good one. You can also play with the slime separately, so you can have that frosting scented slime and the cookie scented slime, or you can mix them together. There's really no wrong way to play with it. It's just super interactive and really fun. So next we have strawberry kiwi, and I'm really sorry you guys, but I might have forgotten to film the strawberry portion, but basically when you get strawberry kiwi, it's an Icee slime. Half of it's kiwi, half of it's strawberry. The strawberry is pink and it comes in the container, so it's half and half. It smells amazing. It's a big favorite of mine. I just saw the kiwi and then I saw the pink background. I'm like, oh, the aesthetics on this one, and I forgot to film the strawberry because I was so excited. Oh, I was supposed to do a transition. Ta-da! So other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!